Around the world, rice is the main crop that feeds 70% of the human race. However, the most nutritious part, the rice bran, typically goes to waste because people do not know how to stabilize it. We created a unique method to stabilize the rice bran and turn it into a nutritious ingredient. Our food supply is affecting our health, and finding concentrated food sources for nutrition is more important than ever. Zeal contains patented stabilized rice bran that is completely soluble and packed with vital nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Stabilized rice bran is one of the most wholly dense food concentrates on the planet. In addition, we have added the best that nature has to offer, including aloe vera, turmeric, acai berries, noni, and a host of other natural ingredients. Zeal is a combination of healthy ingredients that work together synergistically. It's packed with macronutrients like healthy fats and dietary fiber, as well as micronutrients like gamma-oryzanol, tocopherols, tocotrienols, and B vitamins. There is no question that what we eat affects our health. It always has and it always will. Consumers today are more educated than ever, and they are making healthy choices. Change what you put in your body with Zeal and feel the healthy difference.